Seen all across our area, cars bumper to bumper and lined up at COVID-19 testing sites.
This all ahead of an extended holiday weekend. Western Mass News reporter Briseida Landaverde is getting answers on what could be causing the backups.
This picture captured by Western Mass News Tuesday afternoon showing the buildup of cars at the Stop the Spread COVID-19 testing site at Holyoke Community College. One viewer also sharing with Western Mass News their concerns over a COVID-19 outbreak within the city school district. So we're getting answers. Holyoke school officials tell us since the start of school on August 23rd, there have been a total of 28 positive COVID-19 cases, 5 staff members, and 23 students. Breaking down those numbers for you by grade, 6 were high school students and 17 were pre-K through 8th grade students. The director of communications tells us in part, quote, "We are practicing enhanced safety measures at all schools to mitigate the spread of COVID-19 within our schools. This includes requiring anyone who feels sick to stay home, routine testing at schools, and contact tracing. We also checked in with the COVID-19 testing site at the Eastfield Mall, run by the American Medical Response. The operations manager, Patrick Leonardo, tells us before the 4th of July, testing was at an all-time low.
To the point that we had some days where we had a couple hundred people test with no positive results coming back, which was really a good feeling for everybody to see.
And now, as we approach the unofficial end of summer, Labor Day weekend, he says cars are once again piling up.
We now see 600, 700, or 800 people testing, and we have upwards of 100 people testing positive now daily here at the site.
Leonardo says there's a lot of factors leading to the increase in testing.
The vaccine's kind of slowing down and the new variant coming in, I think kind of caught the audience off guard.
We spoke to one resident in line on Wednesday. He says everyone should keep their guard up.
You have to have a concern that anything could happen. Nobody knows what's going to happen.
Leonardo hopes everyone will follow COVID-19 restrictions this upcoming holiday weekend.
And while it seems somewhat harmless at the beginning, we see the effects, 7 to 14 days later when people start to feel ill.
And Leonardo just wants to remind anyone who plans on getting tested here at the Eastfield Mall that the hours of operation are from 9 a.m. until 3 in the afternoon. For now, reporting in Springfield, Briseida Landaverde for Western Mass News.